Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Kelvin from Raw and Search. Okay, last week we didn't see each other, and today I am going to resume this live stream with you guys because last week I find that always the last week of the month, the Hang Seng Index is always moving up and down, up and down, up and down. It's nothing much for us to look at it. So yeah, so I didn't look into it much, and this is what we are looking at right now. Oopsie. Yeah, using the LD player so that I can use this here to put it into my PC. So there's no extra, there's no, what do you call that, advertisement on the games and stuff like that, but then yeah, I'm using this at the moment. So same thing, we are looking at Hang Seng Index. Yesterday, Hang Seng Index, the future after market is fluctuation is about like 150, so it's not that much, and right now is pointing downwards. So let's see. Yesterday we make a profit that is quite good, but we took the profit somewhere around here, and then the price moved a little bit lower, so we basically move out at the very bottom. Okay, so missing out a bit, like maybe 1 or 2 cents of the profit, but then the price start to rebound. So if we didn't get that, of course the price goes down lower later on, but like I said yesterday, I did it for the what do you call that, the live stream. So I say that, okay, that is what I am capable of, making profit, so that's why it's okay, right? So as long as we are making profit and then we are not chasing after things that we are not, or we do not know, then it's going to be betting on the market. Okay, you are going to be betting on something. If let's say you are trading on something that you do not know, then, or not to say trading on something that you do not know, it's more towards like, if your trades are, if you're doing any of the trades, and then you have the signal, you know that analysis is telling you that, okay, they are going to be at the end of it, okay, or at the bottom, or maybe at the top, and then you refuse to take profit out from there, or maybe cut loss out from there, then it will be a huge problem for you, because you are basically ignoring what you know, what you how you identify it, how you understand the market. The signal have already told you that, and you didn't execute it, then that actually is going to hurt you. Okay, because you are not trading based on what you know, but you are trading based on what you are expecting, which is gambling. So be careful when you notice that you are trading in this way. All right. Okay, so at the moment we see Hang Seng Index 9:42 a.m. right now, so we are not going to make any trades from here, but overall they are still, majority of the shares are going on the way down. So if we check on the we might look into the what do you call that, put today, because it's more towards on the way down. Majority of the stocks are going down as well, so I'm not going to move in at the moment. I'm just going to check, wait for it to have like a rebound first. Let's see how far the rebound is, then only I start to do the execute. All right, and of course, let me share with you, I have created a Telegram channel, Telegram group, sharing about this Hang Seng Index. So you can see all this, the link, you want to join the link, join the group. Okay, the link is in the description box. So what I'll do is I'll be sharing some of the Hang Seng Index movements, and also 1 week, I'll share maybe 2 times of the analysis, where is the intraday peak and the bottom of the Hang Seng Index, so that you guys can take a look at it. Okay, so yeah, take a look at it, go into it, then you learn more about the CBBC, the bull and bear contract that I'm looking at right now. Okay, so I'll come back to the market. Will they continue to go down since okay, I'm about to do something that I might regret in a way, because I'm trying to think like, okay, since the price is going down, then the benchmark price range is about 150. So, well, the price might go down to 150 here, right? So, but this is just a benchmark. Sometimes before this, they can mark up higher before it hit the range, because the benchmark can be here, or maybe can be moving up higher also. So you can't really use this as like a point of reversal or a point of the price peak. So it's just a benchmark. So I'm just gonna follow my trading rules. I'm just gonna wait until 10 o'clock, and let's see whether the price actually hit this 150, and see whether is there any of the reversal that will show up. If let's say they do, then we are going for a call, or going for a bull contract. If then no. If let's say there is a reversal is shown, then we go for a bull contract. Yeah. If let's say no, they are going to have a short-term rebound, then we are going to enter for bear contract when they have after the rebound is done. Okay. So right now we have 642, 642. So 2 weeks ago was a very bad week for me, because the Hang Seng Index is moving slightly different. So I'm not able to make any of the profit out from there. Then same thing, the expectation always coming in. So when the expectation is in, so I'm trying to make more money, try to force some trade, and it ended very bad. So it's bad that time. Okay. So right now, as you can see, sorry, I need to yawn a bit. So as you can see right now, price is still going down a bit. So of course, if let's say, do give us some likes, alright? If let's say you like this session, so basically this session is just to share with you guys on how this CBBC work, the callable bull or bear contract, and also share with you on how I sharing on how I identify the price bottom and also the price peak of Hang Seng Index, and also let you guys explore a bit on the Hong Kong market, because it's not just about US market. Everyone is always looking into US market. And I read an article, so it's not by me, this thing is not by me, I'm just sharing the article. A lot of things is showing up that in US, that's the valuation is very high, but it knows that in Hong Kong is very low valuation. But it doesn't mean that it's a good time to go in for Hong Kong side, because low price is always not the right reason for you to enter into an investment, or low price or cheap price is not the reason for you to invest into that particular securities or maybe assets, because low can always go lower, high can always go higher. So right, so that's why every one of you should be careful of when you're doing investment. Okay, don't just look into the fundamental side of it, because fundamental is actually reflect to either you can look into macroeconomics, or maybe down to the company valuation. But most of these data are always late. It's always like maybe 3 months before the data is actually collected, like 3 months before, then they publish it right now in this quarter. So always try to find something that because the hot money moved in and out, so now they move in, then the price will start to move up higher, or maybe now they move out, then the price will start to go down lower. So the market, the pricing mechanism is not based on whatever it is last 3 months. It is based on what is happening right now. So if you are going into something short term, then yes, you have to look into this kind of hot money, or maybe AKA like the big boys, or maybe the manipulators, or something like that, whatever you like to call it. So yeah, so if you want to go for like day trade or short terms, or things like what I did, like do here for midterms, then these are the things that you need to watch, need to understand. Or else, if you're just looking at just fundamental of it, valuation of it, then you are basically I wouldn't say like you're very way far behind, but whatever data that you're looking at is actually 3 months behind, a quarter behind than the price movement. Okay, because we all know the price, the market, okay, is always have really react to it. So when the time you see the report, the hot money has already react to it. Okay, they have already done the accumulation at the lower point. They have already marked the price up higher, waiting for you to come in when the news actually comes out. So that's why yeah, so when the news comes out, then you go in and buy, you're thinking that, oh, it's positive, right? Things like that. So you get trapped inside that, and the hot money takes the money and go, make the profit and go, and left you inside there, hoping that the price you have a rebound, hoping that your analysis or your expectation of that industry, of that stock, of that brand, of that company is going to have surprising news, that it will turns the price of the stocks or the investment have a reversal, okay, or a rebound, or move it higher, so you can make the profit out from them. Okay, of course, there's a lot of people always mistaken that when they make money, they didn't realize that it's because of the market is good, it's going up, so that's why you can make money from the market. And then when the market start to turn bad, then they didn't realize that, and they're using the same strategy. They are so confident of their own trading strategies the before, because it's a bull market, it's easy to make money. So then at that time they start to think like, oh my god, I'm like Warren Buffett, I'm the next Asian Warren Buffett, kind of things. They'll come up, right? So when the market turns into bear, then they start to think like, oh my god, where they lose everything. Okay, they start to, where is the old Asian Warren Buffett that this trader or investor used to think? So it's not because that your analysis is good, it's because that you are in the right timing. Okay, and then why you're losing money? Because you are in the wrong timing. That's it. Okay, so it's nothing to do with your analysis. So basically it proves that if an analysis, it doesn't tell you when the market is going to have a reversal or correction, then that is not a good analysis. Okay, and most of the time, because trader, retail investors, they always look for some strategies that can help them to make profits, but they don't look for any strategies or analysis, or to fine-tune their analysis to tell themselves that the market is going to have a correction, the market is going to be bad, because all retail investors always want market to be good. They always want to have a bull market, but we all know this is a cycle, this is the Tao of the market, or you can call it like the life. Okay, life is always up and down. You won't be always having one straight line up of life, right? So bull market, there will be a bull market. Bear market, it will be there waiting for you as well. So you need to find out how to spot all this bear market is coming, or maybe bull market is coming, so that you know how to react according to different market. All right, so like what we did here is like when we know the market is going to be bad, it's going to turn bad, the price is going to be peak, like in the past 2 weeks I've shared to my clients, okay, in my market POV in Malaysia market. I'm saying that the market is going to be peak. Okay, every of the stocks is trading at the high side, is attracting buyers. So you need to know how they attract buyers. So you need to know how does the big boys price and volume transaction is like when they are trading at the high side. So you know that the market is going to have a correction you know that the market is going to have a retrace that is coming. Then you can react to it. You know that, okay, you can jump out from that. Or like something like this, I can go into Hang Seng Index and then I can trade into a bear contract like this, something like this. Okay, so it's about how well do you know about the market, right? So I hope that this will help you guys. So right now I'm not starting any trade yet, so it's only 9:55 54, sorry. So it's only 10 points away from the 150 benchmark, so I think it's going to hit it anyway. So then I just need to wait for it to have a rebound right after that. Then I continue, either after the rebound, if let's say they continue goes down, then I'll just go for a bear contract. All right, it exited here, so definitely it's going to be more than 150. I think it's like normal time is already like 250, 300 kind of price fluctuation already. So right now I just need to wait, see how far they can go for a rebound. Hey, no, but the volume is sudden spike here, so I think there might be a continuation of price fall. Never mind, I'll just let it fall first. If let's say they have a rebound, then I'll watch again and see whether it's worth or the price will continue goes down lower. Let's see. Well, seems like a rebound is coming on the way, I guess. Majority of the stocks are down, so I think to be safe wise, I'll just go for a bear contract. As I'm looking at, Tencent is down 1.28%, and then Alibaba is down like 1.08%, so it's not that much of downwards, but AIA is actually down 2.16%, so that's quite a huge one. And today, the main constituent stocks that affecting the whole Hang Seng Index is Tencent, 15%, and Meituan. Meituan is down 2.49%, so that's a huge down. So yes, of course, there's a huge down, but because it's already down, so they might have a price up, then but at least 2.4%. Let's see how far they have rebound later on. If let's say bounce back up to maybe like 1.8, then continue goes down, because selling is the selling market. Still have like 2 more minutes to 10 o'clock. Oh, press it back down. Press it back down. Take some chocolate. Chocolate. I can bought it back from Italy. This chocolate. Measure up. No, let me finish my clip. I think I put too much into my mouth. I can't really talk properly right now. If you can hear me, then you can hear me. Just follow one. The chocolate is nice. Don't look at my face, it's like not nice like that. But the chocolate is nice. Just that it's small. I accidentally swallow one in. So that's why it's stuck there. Okay, done. All right, they are going up, up and away. How far are they going? Well, at least like yesterday, they mark up here like this. Okay, so the whole stretch here is the day before. The stretch is not that long, so 118 the future price. So that's why it hit the future price. But because overall, I see the market is still at more towards downwards, so we can roughly usually the price upward is, let's say 50 over. 50 over. Today might be more because the price down here, that's a lot. Well, at first 137, 50, okay, let's say about 40%. 144, 60 over, I guess, 60 over. Okay, I expect it to come back to about this area, maybe. This is just forecasting, so it's not really a good point and a good way to find the top or the bottom. So we still need to check the price movement. All right. Not making any trades yet. I'm 8 more seconds. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dang. That's it. Are they just going to stop here? Seems like it's not. Seems like it is. So it is. Are they moving up or are they going down? Seems like it's going down, but it's still too early to say that. We have to keep watching. So far, when the price is back to 1830, there are I think about five stocks have turned from fall to rise. Let's see Hang Seng Index right now. How does it look like? It makes sense for it to fall today. If let's say it just move up, then it doesn't make much of the sense. Okay, I'm just gonna put. Let me see. Let's get ready and find some bear contract. Index, warrants, bear. Okay, we have two of this bear over here. One is 53660. and strike price is 1880, so it's quite far away. Right now it's still about like 500 points, so it's actually quite good. Leverage, okay, I think the bottom one, the leverage is higher. It's on 53626. Wait for me, don't go down first, okay? Five, 3, 6, 2, 2. Let me send it to my members. Wait. Volume. Price up. Let's wait for it a bit more. Just need to get ready first. What is it again? Oopsie. 53622. Back. Okay, get ready first. Because I want to see like maybe they will have like all right, let's go. Should be buying at 50 cents right now. Oh, is it filled? Some is filled, some is not. Okay, so we got it at 49. Let's get it. Let's get it. Didn't get it for this. Come on, come on. Okay, so both also got it. So we got into this 53622 around this area here. So at 4.9 cents. So right now we are seeing it to moving up higher. So oh no, once we got in, then the price go up higher. But I think they will have like I say, they will have a price up first before they have a price fall. Excuse me. If let's say if it's here. Going down another 80 points. 4. Oh well, going in too early. Bad entry. So I need to record it down. Today is a bad entry. Yesterday we have good entry. So you can see from here, I don't have the patience to wait for the entry. Sometimes I have the patience to wait for the entry, but sometimes I don't have the patience to wait for the exit. You know, too much of patience sometimes. At the moment, right now, I think it's you call it. You know, that's the reason why sometimes I try not to go live or sit in front of the PC like too early. If I say too early, then I lost the patience. I just have to wait until a point like, never mind, just enter. You know, not never mind. It's just like, I want to enter. You know, that kind of things happen. So that's why sometimes I try to like postpone. Maybe next time I just put it at the live stream. A live stream I just started at maybe at 10 o'clock. Would be a better one, right? 23, 24. So at the moment, we should be making a loss of how much? Okay, 2 cents. So which is $200 Hong Kong dollar. Let's see, they have a gap down. Oh no, wait. Something's not right. Well, I'll just cut the loss first. I want to cut the loss first. This doesn't seem right here. I think I might want to go for a call warrant. Oh no, call, not call, back. Mm-hmm. 1803, so which is 300 points different. Conversion 53522 is good. 7 seconds. So I'm changing from a bear contract to a bull contract because what I see from here is that like I always say, usually if let's say price move up fast and then throw down slow and move up fast, is a bit sign of they are marking it, they are having a reversal. So the first cut loss, we have a losses about 368, so I think that is fine. That's not that much. I don't know, but it doesn't looks good. Why both are so similar? 522 and 622. I think I did a good exit for today, for just now the cut loss. At least I'm cutting here from about 4 cents of different. 4 cents I think is still fine. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Since I said just now, the market today is mainly at the downside, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go for this for too long. Okay. I'm not going, I mean, not too long up until a certain point. So I just need to watch and see. Huge throwback. Once it shows any sign that it's a reversal or the price peak, I am getting out from here, alright? Okay, volume is quite high, 400 over million. For price up, the recent up, consider this candle. Okay, 476 million for price up, so it should have a continuation of price up in this case. At the moment, how much do we have? What? Still 2.8 after so long? Oh, it's 2.9 right now. 100 of profit. So let's see how far it can go. See profit, take profit. See something wrong, cut loss. That is what I should do. Yep, giddy up, getting it, up. Come on. The slow, small candle up is more, what do you call it? It's more sustainable. You know, those with the no volume kind of price up is more sustainable sometimes. Bam. But it could have like sudden price fall also. So you need to keep monitoring the price movement. So we get like, you know, kind of first-hand information, knowing that whether they are going out or they are going in. Are they moving? Are they moving? Oh no. Yes, they are moving down a little bit. What the? I think it's okay, just let it down a little bit. Because they need a retrace. Okay, so right after this, if a price up with the high volume, then that's where we go for an exit. 2-3 here right now, 2-4. So it's all about waiting. At least I think this trend will stay up until like maybe until 11, then just start to move a bit sideways. Because Hang Seng Index, the trend is always like this. 10 o'clock, one trend. Before 10, there's one trend. Okay, after 10, there's one trend. Then 11, then you just sideways. Almost always. Well, let's see. It's shooting up fast. It's really fast. I just need to check the last volume. How far is it? The price is moving up, but the volume is not like creating huge volume of it. 464, 485 is lesser than that, so it's time for us to exit. I know it's not going to be much, 31, so there's only like 200 points of profit. I'm taking it because that is how much I can understand it. Hey, why always don't lie? Submitted. Hey, 300 points. Oh, that's good. Order failed. Because just now our cost price is about 2.8 cents. So order failed right now. So 300 to losing about 130-ish. So I might be wrong. The price might continue to move up higher, but I don't care. I just know how to see here. Up until here means like there's a price peak. So I'm not going to hold on to that. I don't want to take the risk because that is how I know about it. Oh, I forgot to share to my. Well, okay, so yeah, we did make a profit here. Of course, we have some profit and also we have some losses, okay. But overall, we are not in a profit here today. At least it's losing just about 130-ish. Compared to yesterday, we are making about like 300 plus. So we are still at the positive this week. So it's good, and because out of this, we are just at least I'm following myself. At least I'm trading based on my own. Wait, this one here, this one here, this one here. At least I'm based on my own capability to find where is the bottom and to find where is the top, and few things is reaction to it today right now is good, where once I find that it's not right, then I quickly change and cut the losses for the bear contract and then straight away jump into the bull contract, and that's where we make the profit from the bull. Of course, we make more losses in the bear contract, but at least the bull can cover it off. So losing just about 100 over ringgit, 100 over Hong Kong dollar, instead of losing about like 300 over Hong Kong dollar. All right. So right after that, where it will be, usually after this session over here, then I'll need to watch and see where how the price movement is like first. If let's say the price is moving sideways like this, then I'll just stay. I'll just continue to watch and maybe go for a bear contract. If no, then after that, then I'll go for a bull contract. Okay, so it really depends. Okay, so still need to do the analysis. So we can't just say like enter here right now and then exit here for a bear, then straight away jump into exit for a bull, then straight away jump into the bear contract. You might get yourself like caught inside there, like, you know, because the momentum might still be there. So our job as a trader is we need to find where is the price peak, when are this supply are coming out, when are this demand are coming in, or in a layman term is when are the buyers coming in, when are the sellers are coming in. Then we react to it, we ride the flow. Okay, it's all about following this flow in the stock market, because we are just a small potato, we can't move the market. So don't ever think of you can move the market unless you are the big boys. Then please, let's come on for a drink. Right. Okay, I think that's about it here today. I'll continue to watch the market and see how it goes here, and then keep you guys up to date in my Telegram group. So if you want to join, find out more about my sharing in my Telegram channel, Telegram group, click the link in the description box, get there, and you'll join. You'll find the link there. You can join in to my Telegram group. And of course, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll be seeing you guys again next week, same time on Wednesday. All right. So maybe later, same day, but maybe different time. So maybe I'll just start at maybe 10 a.m. ish. All right. See you guys. Bye bye.
Traders react to the market.